I'm going to show you how to create a chat flow in HubSpot. You go to conversation, you click chat flow, and then here, as you can see, create your first chat flow. So create your first chat flow. With chat flows, you can create custom chat experience for visitors on your website or Facebook pages with as little as automation as you need. So create a simple welcome message to greet visitors and direct them to your live team, or build bots to help qualify lead or support customers. So we're going to click here, create chat flow. What would you like to add this chat flow? So we're going to use, we have two website and Facebook Messenger. So we're going to use website and then set up chat. So as you can see here, we have our branding. So create a branded chat experience for your visitors. So here where you can choose a different brand that if you want. As you can see, we have different set of brands. Let's use that one there. And then your chat is going to look like this. Okay, go next. And then after that, here we have, you can create more live chat or bot chat later. So here I'm going to put this description as well under the description, in the YouTube under the description. So we're going to have this link as well there. So we have chat heading, custom name, and avatar. So that you're going to have to choose if it's a specific user team or contact owner. So here we're going to, let's say for instance, custom name and avatar. So there you can upload a picture, and then, or you can just add an avatar. Let's say for instance, John Doe. And then you can put later, for instance, a logo that's side there. Okay, so yeah, so here where you put your logo, let's say Jen Doe. And then here we can say, got any question? I'm happy to help, blah, blah. So you can add your whatever things that you want here. And then after that, automatically assign conversation to specific team members. So here, if you click, it's going to go to some specific team member that you can choose there. If there is no contact owner, assign to a default one. So pop open the welcome message as prompt. So we have it there. We go click next. And then as you can see here, we have chat availability. Select when your team should appear available to chat with visitors. So we have different channel availability here. We have based on user availability. So chat is available when at least one user in this inbox is set to available. Based on working hours. So yeah, we can have based on working hours there. You can use that one or that one there. And then after that, you choose your days. And then after that, you choose from which time to which time. And then chat, if you want chat to be available 24/7, you click there, and then this one's going to be disabled. And then availability behavior. So your visitors are more engaged when they know your team's availability. Set up the chat experience for when your team is available, away, outside working hours. That is really, really important. So we have available, away, and outside working hours. So those are the things that you can show there. Typically reply in a few minutes. You can have all those information there. Away, show anywhere message. We're away at right now, but we'll get to here also. You can try to add some of the information that you want there. Customize the chat experience outside working hours. Set offline behavior. Show return time. So show return time. Show any web message. Hide chat launcher. You can also do that. Okay. So now we go next. So now the way the chat is going to look like. So our chatbot is going to look like this. We have desktop, and then tablets, and then mobile. So you click there, open it again, desktop, and then after that, the chat flow, the first step. So you're gonna see it's gonna pop up here. So it's just like when you save, you click back to chat flows, it's gonna show up here, and then you can see you can go to edit, and then now we have different items here: welcome message, knowledge-based search, automatically send conversation, email capture. So as you can see, we have that one that we did put there, knowledge-based search to manage or edit article that your website visit can search in that chat widget, go to knowledge base. We have automatically send conversation. We have email capture. As you can see, ask visitor for their email address immediately after first message sent. Email capture message. Don't have time to wait for a response. Leave your email and we'll be in touch as soon as possible. So here we have build target display options, and then where you can put the name of your chat flow. So choose which page the chat widget should appear on and who it should appear for. So as you can see, target your visitor by choosing the web pages where you'd like your chat flow to appear. So we have the website URL here. So you're going to choose query parameters or use the website URL, and then here they can give you, as you can see, is all pages. So you want the chat flow to be appeared on all the pages, so you can do that one there. And if you want it to be like the page URL to be contain something, for instance, website URL is, and then you put the page of your letter, for instance, whatever domain. So like your site domain, your site.com/about us. So it's going to only appear on the about us page. And then here you can add also some exclusion rule so that you can test. So here, let's for instance, say your site.com/about us. It can just be about us. About us. Yeah, I want this site.com/about us. .com. Yeah, so here you can add an exclusion. So hide, later, for instance, if you wanted this one to be on all pages, and then you can have like hide this one here. When someone go to the about us page, the chat flow need to be hidden. So this is the way that you set up the exclusion. And then we have select segment. So you can have that here: contact, segmented list, visitor, login, visitor, all visitor, device type, browser, language, country, city, blah blah. So all those things you can have there. So as you can see, visitor information and behavior optional. Have more control over or seize your chat flow by adding rules based on your visitor identity or behavior. So you can have different kind of chat flow that you can create, and then it's going to be in different kind of conditions. So you can add condition from here. Okay, so once finished, so we have now display. Here we check the custom branding and the colors and other stuff. So we have desktop, decide the chat flow default set when trigger are met. Desktop display behavior also qualified to tablet. So we have pop on the welcome message as a prompt, only show the chat launcher, show the welcome message, then pop open the chat widget. So all the thing we have here. So another thing that you can see here, decide when the chat flow should appear to visitors. The selected trigger will apply on desktop, tablet, and mobile. So on exit intent, time on page in seconds, and percentage of page scrolled. So all the things that you can try to you can try to use them. And then we have also mobile settings, desktop settings. We go to options. Here we have the option that you can also choose if you have multi-language site. So you can choose some language options here. And then as you can see, we have privacy, data privacy and consent to collect chat cookies. You can switch those things on if you want to there. So consent to process data, consent to communicate. And then after that, we have set contact, create it as marketing contact. Also, you can do that. We have also a survey that if you want to add the survey as well. So now let's click preview. You can see the preview. The site is gonna look like this. Okay, so we have it there. You can put your test, you can say hi and all that stuff. So hi tests. Hi, so this is a test. This is the test that you can put there. You don't have time to wait for a response. Leave your email address. So here you can put the email address there. Blah blah. So this is the way that you set up. So now we're gonna try to show this one on the page. So we're going to test this one on the page. So as you can see here, so our Chatflow is there. So on the landing page here, so you can, this is just for testing purpose. So we have it there. All right. So this is the way of creating a Chatflow. This Chatflow HubSpots. So you can set status off, or you can switch it on. All right. So if you if you like this video, you can just click a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe for more.